Dami. Wow. This is the salo-salo size. Laki. I think good for 6 person na to. So, this is the bistec alakaw. Talagang, ano, Filipino style. Kasi beef at saka mayroong saging na ilagay on top. Napakatalino mo, Chef Patrick. Excited to try it. So, this one is pak-pak bet. Tinatawag niya pak-pak bet. Kasi may pak-pak.
Bangus relleno.
Wow. And then we have the bangus relleno here. Bangus relleno. Yung bangus nilagay sa lumpia wrap.
Pinagjawa to.
Oh. This is very unique. And this one is Mongo Sagata with the chilies on top and onion chives. Napakasarap nito. Relleno na binalot sa lumpia wrap. Relleno bangus. Galing. Okay, let's open this one. Very unique. Wow. Ito yung kanilang tinola. Meron silang parang ano, bilo-bilo na may chicken sa loob. Grabe, ang bango. So, bistec alakaw, sobrang unique. Ito yung maglalagay ng kalamansi. Yes. So, first, let's try this bistec alakaw. Ang sarap. Beef with napaka-unique. May saging na saba. Wow. Masarap to pag ganito yung sauce niya, diba? Yan. Lalagay natin yung sauce dito sa kanin. Oh. Woo. Okay. This is the moment of truth. Dapat generous tayo, diba?